Hey everybody, welcome to JDM World. If you've ever been interested in jumping into home automation, light switches are a great place to start. Today in our video, we're going to look at replacing an existing light switch with a new light switch from Insteon. Insteon is the light switching control that we use here in our home. Remember, this is electrical work, so it can be dangerous. If you don't feel comfortable, please have a professional do this, but if you take a few precautions, turn off your power, it's a very straightforward swap out. So please enjoy and see how easy it is to jump into home automation. Insteon has a wide variety of products. Everything from switches to hubs. They have integration with Alexa. But in this video, we're looking at switches, and all of their switches install basically the same, right? So you're going to have a neutral, positive, and negative, really, which is your positive power coming in, the load going out, and a ground. So here we are actually replacing a dimmer from Insteon with a switch. They have paddle style, toggle styles, also button styles. But this is really straightforward. You're going to go ahead and just pull your plate off. You're going to remove the unit from the wall. Make sure that electricity is not flowing. You should turn that off first, and then get your cables unwound. Things get quite tight in there, and the more switches that you have in any location, the more difficult it gets. And from this point on, it's really straightforward. You just basically pull off your nut, take the cable from the new switch, match it up, and then put the nut back on. And you'll do that for the ground, which we just did. Now we're doing it for the load, so that goes up to your light. Now we're doing it to the power supply, and as you can see, we're putting this in line with some other stuff. And then finally, your neutral. The neutral is really important. If you have an older home that doesn't have this, that could present a problem. But for any new construction, you will have neutral. So once you get all those four put together, all you have to do is figure out how to get your cables back in the wall, jam those in, and then simply screw this all back in. You'll use your two screws to connect this back into your wall plate or your wall box, and then you put your front panel on. Through the magic of television, you'll see that I go from no electricity with one screw to electricity with the second screw going in. But you'll have to put this together and then go and turn your power on. Hopefully this video will inspire you to take your own journey into home automation. If you've liked the video, please subscribe and click on the bell for notifications. That'll let you know whenever I release another super awesome video.